Hello, good morning. Hi John, macham la tumaje how are you doing? I'm fine. Hi Shinish, long time no see. How have you been? I'm doing a pleasure. See you tomorrow. Goodbye. See you later. What's your name? My name is Jimin. With my classmate was your friend's name. She's just call me Sunny. Is your girlfriend? Just a friend. How old are you? How old is she? 21 years old. What is family name? My family is from what is the last name? Where are you from? I'm from Korea. Where do you live? I live in Southern Korea. Where were you born? 1997. I was born in Chicago, in America. Chicago famous for pizza. Where is from? She's from China. What do you do? I'm a teacher of public school. My mother is doctor. Middle school student. What grade is she now? She is 7th grade now. No, he's married. No, he's single. She's married. Got any children? I have 4 children. 3 and daughter. Google software company my Mongol brothers. Because I'm the time place is the what time is what time you usually get on? What is it then? Every Forester? When I was father born in 1964. Mom, where is my I don't know where it is. The post office. The US baby. It's next to the post office. Where's the restaurant? Is over there. It's between the barber shop. Drugstore.